This is how I plan every single piece of content I create. One page in Notion, every idea, every deadline, every platform, all in one view. In the next few minutes, you'll have a complete content calendar with planning, tracking, and scheduling built in. Free template at the end. Let's build it. New page, content calendar with a calendar icon. Below the title, I add a quick description. Plan, create, publish, all in one place, and a call out reminder at the top. Plan your content on Sunday, create during the week, publish on schedule. That weekly rhythm is what separates consistent creators from burnout creators. Now let's build the main database. This is where every piece of content lives. I'll add a heading called Content Pipeline and create an inline table. This database is where I track every piece of content from idea to published. Let me start with the first entry. First property, platform, where's this content going? I'll create a select field with my platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blog, Twitter. 5 options covering where most creators publish. You might have different platforms, just swap them out. Next, status. This tracks where each piece of content is in the pipeline. I need 6 stages. Idea is just a concept in my head. Scripting, I'm writing the script or outline. Recording, I'm filming or creating. Editing, it's in post-production. Scheduled, it's ready and queued up. Published, it's live. Let me create each one. Then type. What kind of content is it? Long video, short, post, story, article. This helps me see the mix of content I'm producing. If everything is long video and nothing is shorts, I know I need to balance it out. Publish date as a date field, this is when the content goes live, or when I plan to publish it. And topic as a text field, where I write a brief description of what the content is about. These two combined are the backbone of the calendar. Priority with the usual 3 options, high, medium, low, and notes for any extra context like script links, reference videos, or collaboration details. That's all the properties we need. Now let me fill this with real content. First entry, Notion tips video, platform YouTube, status published since this one is already live, type long video, published date May 30th, topic 7 tips for beginners, priority low because it's already done. This is a completed piece so I can track it in my history. Second entry, Notion content calendar tutorial. That's literally the video you're watching right now. Platform, YouTube, status editing because I'm working on it. Type long video, published date, June 5th. Topic, build a content calendar from scratch. Priority high because it has a deadline coming up. In the notes, I'll write include free template. Third entry, Notion drag and drop trick. This is a short I'm extracting from my tips video. Platform, YouTube. Status scheduled, it's ready to go. Type short, published date, June 2nd. Topic, column creation trick, priority medium. Notes, extract from tips video. Fourth, Notion for students post, platform Instagram. Status just an idea for now, no date yet. Type post, thinking a carousel. Topic, highlights from my student setup. Priority low because it's not urgent, just in the pipeline. No notes yet. This is how ideas live in my system without getting lost. And fifth, Notion, setup, tour, recap for TikTok, status scripting, I'm writing the script, type short, published date, June 8th, topic, 30-second tour of my workspace, priority medium, notes, vertical format, 5 entries covering different platforms, different statuses, different content types. Now let's make this visual board view grouped by status. This is my content pipeline. I can see what's just an idea, what I'm scripting, what I'm recording, editing, scheduled, and published. I drag content between columns as I work on it. Moving something from editing to scheduled is the best feeling because it means the hard work is done. And the star of the show, calendar view using the published date. Now I can see my entire content schedule on a monthly timeline. I can spot gaps where I have nothing planned and cluster days where I have too much. This view is what I check every Sunday when I plan the upcoming week. One more view, board grouped by platform, YouTube content on one side, TikTok on another, Instagram on another. This shows me if I'm neglecting any platform. If the TikTok column is empty for 2 weeks, that's a problem I can fix before it becomes a pattern. 3 views, same data, pipeline for workflow, calendar for scheduling, platform for balance. That's the whole system working together. If you create content on any platform, this system will change how you plan. Subscribe for more Notion builds like this every week. Almost done. One more section. Last section, the ideas bank. Every content creator has random ideas at random times. Instead of losing them, I dump them here. I'll add a divider, a heading called ideas bank, and a simple toggle called Content Ideas. Inside, just a bullet list. Notion for job seekers, Notion versus Google Sheets. How I use Notion on my phone, Notion keyboard shortcuts, build a meal planner, Notion for couples. Just quick one-liners, no pressure to develop them now. When I need a new video idea, I come here first instead of staring at a blank page. The workflow is simple. Ideas land in the Ideas Bank. When I'm ready to work on one, I create an entry in the content pipeline above and set it to idea status. Then I move it through the stages until it's published. Nothing falls through the cracks. That's your complete content calendar, a pipeline that tracks every piece from idea to published, calendar and Kanban views to visualize your schedule, and an ideas bank so you never run out of things to create. Free template in the description, duplicate it, and start planning your next month of content tonight. If you want to see all my Notion systems, check out my full setup tour linked right here. What platform do you create content for? Drop a comment, and if there's a Notion system you want me to build, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.